Hello everybody, they will do this sleep and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises. So we'll get started from this and starting to push it. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take back leg and try keep the balance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, try take this side and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And try to sit in this way, relax, and try sitting in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Try stretch this leg and sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take 2 legs together, take feet on ourselves, and slowly go down. 1, 2, 3, 5. So, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe, and take your likes, and follow me. Bye bye.